Hey.
My name's
Hello.
Gail. I'm with Movie Guide. We are a family guide to movies, and this is a really fun movie.
Thank you.
Robert,
Yes.
how did you like being the jerk in this movie and the guy that everybody liked to hate?
Well, I have
It's
to,
hard for him.
yeah, it's not hard. No, I've always, anytime I have a role where I get to be the jerk, it's really fun because you get to be you can just go so far with it, you know what I mean?
You did pretty good.
Thank you. And then, but I think the most appealing thing for me with this one was the fact that I had, you know, that setup to do all those great physical bits, you know, when I first read the script, I was like, okay, cool, fun story. And then when I got to the part where it said I'd get to, you know, be controlled by aliens and be a zombie and, you know, the controller would be wrestled with, so I would be spazzing out. I was like, I have to do this.
And Ashley, my 12-year-old, you are her favorite of all time.
Thank you.
This is you're kind of a role model for young teens. Tell me about your character and how do you think she might be a good role model for our kids?
I think that she's a good role model because at the end of the day, when she figures out what's happening, I think she groups up with her family. You know, family is everything, and they go and they try to save the world and fight the aliens. And she does listen to her brother. She gets that when she finds out how Ricky is in real life. You know, she just kind of sees it and knows that her brother was right all along. So she sticks up for her family.
And what are you two hoping to do from here with your careers?
We have a duet album coming out.
You're kidding, or do you really?
No,
He's
no, we
kidding.
don't. I'm kidding. She got the album.
Well, I hope we see a lot more of you.
Thank you, John.
You guys are
Thank
awesome.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
sweetheart.
you.